must be dreaming, dreaming. I must be dreaming, dreaming. Star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. Can't live without it. How can you stick for the wall? Checks I deposit. Checks I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot in Treasure Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that shit, the jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Caught me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, you was brains on the dash, bro. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang, if you reach for my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this beat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wacky, y'all nigga doing that big cat trick. I ain't with the friendly shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clap. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab. Gucci had to kill the whole world just to make Young Savage this motherfucking meat jack.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. You don't abide by the law. You don't know what I deserve. Can't be without it.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. I haven't spoken to you guys since morning, but as you guys can tell, like I woke up, I had breakfast. Actually, I woke up, I had a bath, and then I made breakfast. And then I've been watching some YouTube since then. And then my mom started baking some banana bread, and I've just been chilling with her, you know, some chit chat, bonding and all of that. And I did show you guys the banana bread. Right now I just had some banana and 2 slices of bread, just because I wanna just have something in my stomach. I'm not like in the mood for anything. And then I had it with iron brew, and I had the same chips that I had yesterday. I just finished off the pack, and yeah, I'm actually tired. I want to sleep, but I don't, like, I have to sleep, but I don't want to sleep. But yeah, I'll just see if I can push this as far as I can. But we are on episode 3 of vlogtober. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can for you guys. I am uploading vlogtober episode 2, and what is it? Oh, today's a Wednesday, by the way. My dad said he'll come back with Wacky Wednesday, but I'll just see from him. And then what else? I'm trying to think. Yeah, we're probably gonna have the banana bread later on for dinner. Guys, I'm so obsessed with my nails, guys. Oh, Jonga, that work of my hands. Anyway, yeah, we'll just keep you guys posted. I probably have to charge my phone. I'm uploading the video, and I also want to watch some TikTok. So I'll catch you guys later.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm entering my bed. Had a few dreams about you. I can't tell you what we did. I expected to see you on your morning one again. No, I shouldn't be watching, 'cause every time I feel the pain. You told me it was over.
So forever. Or how do we take it?
like the girl of mine. Yeah, devil in a dress, angel with some nightmares. I could've sworn I went to sleep and she was right here. Don't know if I seen her in my dreams or my nightmares. Think it was my nightmares. And I think I need your love, I don't need no one selfish. Wonder if I get this from my heart, could she help it? Yeah, you know she's an angel, if you let her tell it. Baby, hot as hell, she got kicked out of heaven. You know I love them braces, them big lips, that red skin. You know I love her faces, she make when we sexin'. Can't get off my mind if I try my obsession. Wrong move for numbers, erased all our texts. I know you're not no good for me. You look so good to me, yeah. I don't need another broken heart or a sleepless night. God, please got me right. She looks like the girl of my dream, yeah. You look like the girl of mine. You look like the girl of mine.
Oh, I must be dreaming, dreaming. I must be dreaming.